This is the Weeylite WP35 RGB LED light panel. And is it really the best budget option in the market right now? Quick disclaimer, Weeylite sent me this light to review, but they did not pay me to say anything nice about the product. So with that out of the way, let's find out if this light is good as advertised. First up, let's talk about the design of the WP35. I've owned a light panel in the past and it was big and heavy, so I was surprised when I saw how compact the WP35 is. Not to mention that it only weighs 1.1 kilograms, which is very light and handy. This light is also very easy to use and navigate, as you would have control buttons and knobs at the back that are well labeled, and you have a screen display that would show you details such as battery life and the settings that your light is on. You can also tilt the light by adjusting the knob on the side, and of course the ability to shape the light through its barn doors. Next up, the Weeylite WP35 has two power options. You can power this light up through its regular DC power, or if you want to go mobile, you can power it up using two NPF batteries. So now let's talk about the quality that this light panel emits. The WP35 has 648 pieces of lamp beads and has a maximum power of 30 watts. It has a maximum lumens of 3000 and has a CRI rating of 95. In CCT mode, you can adjust the temperature from 2800 Kelvin to 6800 Kelvin. And of course, you have the RGB mode and several built-in lighting effects. Another thing that you would like about this light is that you can control it using the Weeylite Pro app, which comes in very handy, especially when the light is far from your reach. Alright, so the question is, for $129, is this the best budget option for light panels? Well, personally, I would put this on top of that list because for that amount, you already have a compact light which allows you to go mobile through the NPF batteries and is packed with cool RGB features. Though not a deal breaker, I just wish it came with a travel pouch of some sort. So those are my thoughts on the Weeylite WP35 RGB LED light panel. If you want to get one, you can check out the links in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.